Welcome to Salesmate's robust reporting feature, designed to provide detailed insights into your sales activities, customer interactions, and key business metrics. Let's embark on creating your first reports. Reports serve as comprehensive summaries, offering valuable insights into your sales process, team performance, revenue generation, and more. These reports are fully customizable and can be filtered according to your specific needs, empowering you to make informed business decisions. To begin creating a new report, access the Report section from the left sidebar of your Salesmate dashboard. Before diving into report creation, we recommend organizing your reports by creating folders and assigning them descriptive names for easy reference in the future. Salesmate reports are structured into 3 dimensions: report info, related module, data and visualization. To initiate the creation of a new report, click on Add Report and provide a descriptive name and relevant description for the report. Additionally, select the appropriate folder to categorize the report for future access. Next, specify whether you intend to create a report based on a single module or multiple modules, such as deals, contacts, or their respective owners. Select the primary module that will serve as the foundation of your report and proceed to the next step. Now it's time to establish connections with related modules and add or drag and drop the pertinent fields from the left field menu to build the report structure. Define the data or chart flow to achieve the desired reporting outcomes. Under the Chart section, choose the type of chart and configure it according to your preferences. Map fields such as displaying, measured by, and break by to refine your report. Once satisfied, style your chart to enhance visual clarity. For further customization, utilize the funnel icon to set specific conditions for filtering the report data. Select the desired date range and filter by field values to focus your analysis. When you've finalized your report configuration, click Save to preserve your settings. Optionally, add the report to a preferred dashboard for quick access and visibility. Upon hovering over the report, you'll find a range of customization options, including rename, edit, clone, email, delete. Thank you for watching this tutorial. With Salesmate's powerful reporting capabilities, you're equipped to gain actionable insights and drive business growth.